Hi guys! So, andito ako kasama si... So guys, magano kami dito?
Let's the game begin! Okay, ako muna. Sino ang mas... Sino
Huwag
ang
po
mas...
makain.
Matangkad! Lungkod ka dito. Cooper, may mo ingom. Sino ang mas maliit? Wala gapon ako, guys.
Wait lang, wala pa yung pulbo eh.
Wala naman na.
Ano? Uy, tumo.
Uy. Okay.
Thinking a trash collector as the richest man's daughter. Are you blind?
Okay.
Ako na rin.
Sino ang mas? 89 point. Ay, kanang nasa mga 80 nga above. Ikaw.
Oh, hindi ako 80 above.
80 above
Ako
ka.
bagsak 89 above yata. 89 kasi yung ano ko.
Oh, 89 above.
Huwag ka ganun yun.
Uy, wala yan na ay. Tikas man na, wala yan na ay. Uy, wala lagi yan na ay.
Uy,
Tikas
naganyan
man kaya
ka.
ka. Dagan man to ako.
Grace Lynn. No, let us in. Richest man's daughter herself sent someone to invite us in.
Did she? She invited
Sige.
you in his
Okay,
thing?
sino ang mas?
Of course.
Kuha mo na ako ng
Grace
pulbo.
Lynn. I can't believe you can still smile.
Pwede
Her
kong
parents
nag-
are the richest man's daughter. A very generous
Huwag na
man.
to kasi patay
Later,
tayong
Grace
mami
Lynn
nito.
goes out to school.
Ito pa siya guys. Itong pulbos na.
Gift?
Sige. Sino ang
Ako
with
man,
honor?
Uy, ako man.
This
Sorry,
gift is
go.
indeed very beautiful. I quite like it. Isn't it
Mm,
possible to the richest man's daughter? Why is it with you?
Mas mataas pa ang buhok.
You?
Go.
Grace Lynn,
Hindi
have
mo
you
taas
seen my
ng
gift
bukol.
from the
Kaya
richest
kaya
man's
ito lang
daughter?
yung buhok ko.
Sir, I have, as you asked, given it to the richest man's daughter.
Did Grace Lynn teach you to say that?
Sino
I've
ang
never
mas?
met any of you do.
Maliit ako.
Every day has the chance to be the richest
May
man's
dili.
daughter. But she, it's impossible.
Sino ang mas?
What her family's like. I couldn't be clearer.
Patrick,
Mm,
this is the most valuable
Sino
thing
ang
in
mas?
the office.
Sino ang mas?
Now, just to meet the daughter,
Mas?
you decided to give this.
Sino ang
Stop talking nonsense.
Vice
Feeling violated.
P? Vice P. Vice President ka. Vice President ka.